Hi, welcome to my project for the CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. For my project 0, I made a newspaper website. Here you can see the design. We have a header with a permanent link to the home page, this page. We have a navbar that let us navigate through the section of the site. We have a main article section with an ordered list, and we have a minor article section. We have a footer, and on the right side of the footer we have a white arrow, up arrow, with an anchor to that bring us to the top of the page. In all the site I used Bootstrap to gain responsiveness. We can see that if we resize the site, the design is responsive, and we can take a look at the other pages. We can see the world section. We can notice that at the footer now we have a back to home page link. Back to home page link is enabled in all the pages, but the main page, because in the main page this link has a class called invisible that has a display none rule. And if we go to the main page, to the home page, and we click on one of the list item, we can see that we go directly to the section of the main article page. We can take a look at the other pages. In the section economy we have a table. Let's take a look at the responsive version of the page. We can take a look at this other page. We have images, and the last page we have a 3-column design that with the mobile design goes to a single column design. And now let's take a look at the CSS. We have some variables. We have some placeholders to group some rules and to use them with inheritance. We can see here in the section title class and the section belonging class, I extended the section title placeholder to use the same rules. We have some pseudo selectors. We have an ID selectors, and in the last part we have some media query to tweak some little things about the design for mobile, mainly for mobile devices. Thank you for your attention, and goodbye.